How to install the infrared gas burner of Colo & Kfan. Product name, Industrial Infrared Gas Furnace Burner HD262. Complete set with spare part, pulse ignition, connector, solenoid valve, ignition pin. Industrial infrared gas furnace burner models and specifications. Industrial infrared gas furnace burner details. How to install the burner to oven. Step 1. Use a cutting machine to create a hole in the rock wool board, located on the oven's wall, or bottom where the burner will be placed, that matches the burner. We'll take the HD262 burner as an example for creating the hole. The removed rock wool should not be discarded. In step 5, it will be used. Install galvanized sheet metal edge protection around the hole that has been created. When installing the edge protection, pay attention to the rivet hole spacing, as indicated in the drawing. Welding the joint of edge protection, then polishing, drill holes for rivet fix by rivets. Install the infrared gas burner. Install the infrared gas burner on the mounting plate. If by burner, the mounting plate is prepared by buyer. If complete oven, the mounting plate is included. Assemble the ignition pin. There are holes in the direction of the ignition pin. Make the wires go through the holes in the fix plate. Fix the mounting plate to the oven by rivets. Filling the hole with rock wool, fix the cover plate to the hole by rivets. Assemble the pipe of the burner. Connection. Wire diagram. About our industrial gas heater. Turn on the power thermostat. The gas burner in the oven starts working up. Oven inside gas burner. Burner is about to start. Gas burner is working. The temperature in the oven slowly rises. For industrial surface preparation, wet paint drying oven.